Hello and welcome everyone in this another part of the tutorial, that is Microsoft Word. In previous part of this tutorial I have explained about the file menu and home menu too. Some of the sections of home menu like clipboard, font have been already discussed or explained in the previous part of this video or this series, and in today's video I will talk about the paragraph section, styles and editing section that is under the home menu. So let me start with the paragraph section. Inside the paragraph there are multiple tools that are used to make our paragraph look more beautiful and attractive as well as very professional. So the first one is the bullet points, and this tool allows us to write something in the points, and as a result the topics that are in the points looks more attractive. So when you have to write something in the point, you can use this option. For example, when I will type here types of computer. Let me make it little bit larger so that it will be clear to you all. And now when I click on these bullet options, I can easily write the types of computer in bullets points, that is microcomputer. And after one point, if I press enter, another bullet point will automatically appear. Mini computer, mainframe and supercomputer. So you can see the bullets makes the text look little bit more attractive. So when you have to write something in the point, you can use the bullets, or you can use the numbering as well. Numbering is another tool that is inside the paragraph. This allows us to give numbers to the point. You can choose any of them, 1 2 3 or ABC, or in the Roman number, whatever you like you can choose to give numbering to the points in the paragraph. So let's say I will choose this 1 2 3. You can see the bullets has changed to the numbering 1 2 3 4. Now when you press enter, another number will automatically appear. Beside numbering, there is multi-level list that is used to write something point wise, and when you have headings and subheadings in the point as well, at that time you can use the multi-level list. Like you can use, there are different levels or multi-level options you can choose to write headings and subheadings in your paragraph. For this purpose you can use the multi-level list. Now the next options are the alignment. You can align your paragraph left, center, right, or you can align to the whole page, that is justify. Let's see with an example. I'll remove this bullet point and I will write some random text. Let me make it little bit smaller. Now you can see there are some paragraphs and it is aligned to the left. From the left side there is a straight margin. No, there is equal margin from the left side and irregular margin from the right side. So because our paragraphs are aligned to the left right now, when I click on the center after selecting all, everything will be in the center. So you can see now all the paragraphs, all the text are in the center of the page. Now if you want this to the right side of the page or right alignment, you can just select all the paragraphs and click on the right alignment. You can see at the right side there will be the straight margin and at the left there is irregular margin. So this is for the right alignment. And the next is the justify. Justify allows us to arrange the paragraph equally in all the directions. So you can see it is equal to all the directions in all the sides or of the pages. So for that purpose you can choose the justify. According to your need you can choose any of the options. Now the next one is the line and paragraph spacing. These are used for giving space between the lines and the paragraphs. So when we select all these and choose the points or the numbers for giving space between the lines, the space between the lines will increase. You can see space between the lines have increased. So there are different options under this line spacing. Also you can choose the indent, or you can choose the spacing before and after the paragraphs. All these settings can be done to make your paragraph look attractive. Now let's make it normal to 1.0. Another one is the decrease indent. Indent is the just like the tab option that is in the keyboard. To increase the margin of your paragraph, you can increase the indent or you can decrease the indent. So I will increase the indent, the paragraph will move forward, and if I decrease the indent it will come back to the normal position. So you can increase from this option or you can decrease the indent from the decrease indent option. Now next one is the shading. It allows us to give the background color to the text. So you can choose any color to the background of your text like this. And another one is the sorting. If you want to sort your paragraphs either in ascending or descending order, you can sort your paragraphs like by headings or by fields or by text, either in ascending or descending order. So sorting means just arranging the text or the paragraphs either in ascending or descending order or the paragraph wise. You can choose and arrange. Look, it has been changed to the descending order. The first paragraph came to the last. Another option is the border. You can select your paragraph to give borders. You can give left, right, or no border, or you can make borders in all the parts of your paragraph or enclose in a rectangular border, or you can give just inside border. So according to your requirement you can choose different border options from this tool. So this is all about the paragraph section that are used to make our paragraph look more beautiful and attractive. I hope you have understood this section. Now let's move to another, that is the style section. In this style section, this is just the different styles you can give to your paragraph. When you choose, you can choose from the multiple styles. You can see when you select the paragraph, I will select the first one and I will choose the heading one. You can see there is the changes that has been applied to the first paragraph according to the heading 1. Now if I choose heading 2, it will make it to the normal. You can choose a different type of heading according to your requirement. So you can see the changes has been applied. You can choose different styles from this section. Now another one is the editing section. You can edit your document. I'll clear first, then I will make you understand by writing some more random text. Now in the editing section we can replace or we can select all these things can be done from this editing section. So first of all let me talk about the select. If we click on select all the documents, all the contents in the document will be selected. Now you can do any changes after selecting, like you can increase the size, you can change the color, you can do whatever you like after selecting them all. Now find option is used to find the text or the word from the document. Whatever you want to find you can find. So just click on this and search. You can search, like I will search any word, like I will type here document, and you can see all the words that are document in this paragraphs, they all have been selected. So if you want to search a particular word, you can search with the help of find option. Now if you want to replace this word document or any other word with the similar word with another word, you can just replace. For example, I want to replace this document with another word. I will type word document, or I will just simply type WRD and DOC, word document, or the short form of doc. Then you can see it will replace all the words. You can see it has made 5 replacements. Now you can check in your paragraph all the word that has been document, it has been replaced by the word doc. So you can, in this way you can just find as well as replace any word from your paragraph. So this is all about the editing section. Now I hope you have understood about the paragraph styles and editing. This is all about the tools that are under the home section. So I hope you have understood. Now in the next part of this series of this tutorial, I will talk about the other menus like insert, draw, design and so on. So subscribe this channel so that you can get the notifications of the next video. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.